and there's a package waiting for us. I have to kind of guess what was in there and the size, but I was like, is this for me? And then I took a peek in there. I'll show you guys later. I have my first mod for the Hulk. No knife. Use those motorcycle keys. Some good tape. Tape is stronger than the box. What could it be? Is it what I think it is? That's what I thought it was. Does anyone know what this is? These are hand guards. Hand guards for the Hulk. I think I'll be needing these. Can anybody guess what this is? There's probably a clue right there. Anyway, without further ado, bam! This is my front tire. A new front tire. It is a Bridgestone tire. 80-121. Let's do a comparison. The original dirt bike tire. And this is more of a, I think, an enduro dual sport tire. I was searching for dual sport tires. This is the closest I could find to the rear tire that I ordered. Alright. We got something from Amazon today, y'all. This is gonna be the back tire. Our back dual sport tire for our dirt bike. Looks nice. Man, I was just out here and I didn't see this other package. And I went to check, it said delivered today. I was like, what? But yeah, this is what I was really waiting for today. And the other two things I'm waiting for, they will be here also. But besides that, you guys, you know I got the tire this morning. You probably have no idea what this is gonna be. Actually, I did mention it yesterday that I was gonna get this, and I'll be revealing it today. Let's go ahead and do this, y'all. What's up, y'all? Guess what? Got some new stuff in today. I'm gonna be sharing it with you guys. First of all, I already showed you this morning. We got a 19-inch back tire, 3 inches wide, Enduro Dual Sport. Check out the treads on that. It is a RT Sport full bore. This is the full bore tire, y'all. Nice. I won't be putting this on until I ride on the original tires for a while. They actually feel really good on the street. I know what this is. At least I have a good idea. Not positive. But we're gonna open it up together. I think I mentioned what I was waiting for. So, the suspension actually feels really good when I'm riding. Haven't noticed any problems at all. But the seat doesn't go down at all when I sit on it. And it's only about at the halfway position. So we got a tool, a gesture tool. I didn't get any kind of a, what do you call it, a multi-size tool. Some of them have a hook on both sides. So if this doesn't fit, then we just have an extra tool. And the inner tubes I got was a 2-pack. 2 inner tubes for 20 bucks on Amazon, y'all. I mean, I was excited about the inner tube because I want to ride the DB14. I was excited about getting that tool so I can adjust the Hulk. Yeah. But what I was really looking forward to, whoa, and they're heavy. My first item I ever got from this company. So these are heavy, man. My other boots feel pretty lightweight. I mean, I do feel the weight on them, but I can walk them around and they're comfortable. These suckers are heavy. It feels like they weigh like
You know, I used to sell boots back in the day, so I have a good idea. My other boots that I wear are probably about 4 pounds, 3 to 4 pounds. These are like 6 to 7 pounds, maybe even 8-pound boots. That's crazy. Well, that's gonna add some weight to the bike. Add some weight to my little ass. These are the Maverick boots by Fly Racing. I got these on Amazon too, y'all. This is one of the more pricey items that I've purchased, but we're gonna find out if they're worth it. You know, I'll put a link to these in the description also. You can find out too. This is probably one of the most popular boots because of the entry level. I was thinking about going with the AR boot originally when I first started, you know, but I got some varied reviews on those. Some people didn't like the fact that they didn't come the way they were advertised, and they were not very comfortable. These look comfortable. I said, man, I'm just gonna go with it. You know, I didn't even research these. I just said I saw them, I liked them. I said I'm going with it. No research. Just looked at the amount of stars. Didn't even look at it, very many reviews. Just from the research I did before, I knew what I wanted when I saw it. So, the only thing I think, these may not have the replaceable grips. I think I read that before, and hope I don't regret that later on. But I've had some, in the past, I've had some rollerblades where the straps have broken. But those were old, really old. I like the fact that they're soft on the bottom. They have the soft rubber on the bottom, and they have like a hard rubber on the sides. They look sporty. They look sporty and they look durable. They look like they go really far up the leg too. I won't have to wear my shin guards probably. I'm gonna put this on. First, let's undo the straps. See if we have any stuffings in there. Wow, this feels like it's gonna be snug. Get my foot all the way down that hole. Haha. Let's go for it, baby. Hey, they all popped out. It's tight. We expected that. It's supposed to be snug, right? How do I lock these back in? I'm assuming. This way. All right. I can adjust it. We're gonna start off loose since they're so tight. We'll adjust it as it gets broken in. I definitely could tighten up a couple of them though. Yeah. That's some good protection right there. It's all about staying safe, y'all. Let's tighten it up a little bit. So you push these in. Oh, okay. Maybe these straps are replaceable. A little tighter. Let's get a little bit better. There we go. That should be tight enough for now. Yeah, that feels better. It feels really good. It feels stiff, but it feels good. once I ride the bike. It should make a difference. A lot less flexibility. But that's probably good because I'm heavy on the brake. This is about all I need. Hell yeah, boy. It's on now. Taking it to the next level. Today I'm going to take the Hawk on the street. I should go right now while the traffic is light. I'm not going to ride it on the street, but I want to get her out to the parking lot. I'm going to get myself prepared. We're going to get out of here. Let's try this other boot on. It opens up all the way down. You have a larger calf. There we go, y'all. I can make this one a little bit more snug up here. And that one. Oops, that might be a little too tight. It works. I'll be wearing these for a little while. They feel better already with both of them on. I need to put on my knee guards and body armor. And we're out of here.